Good morning. We just wanted to share an exciting class we had this past weekend, Pam's Dresden Neighborhood class. The ladies loved it. They each were able to complete the task, and they all looked terrific. It was one of the best classes we ever had, and Pam's one of our finest teachers. We are running it again by popular demand. We had a pretty lengthy wait list, so we're running it again. It's a 5-hour class. It'll be March 8th, a Saturday. So it'll be on our class list on the website and print out in our store. Get your name in, because we have to have a limited number of students, because each person needs an entire table by themselves. So the class has a limit. So take time, get signed up, and we know you're going to enjoy it. Thanks, and have yourself a great day.